Hi there, a very good morning and good afternoon to all of you. It is Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about a very interesting company in the retail space which has come out with very decent numbers. So we'll discuss that. So let's get started. So first of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation, and people taking any position to any share that I talk about should that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Neither do I hold this stock. Before I talk about this company, here's a small request. Kindly support me on Patreon. Once you do that, help me grow the channel. Help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts I put up from time to time. And also, you can pay $100 upfront. You get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. For detailed market or company talk or a number of stocks you're holding and want to discuss with me, we can work things out with a fee. You can email me, and also if you can get WhatsApp membership with a yearly membership fee. So now let me take you the uh, to this you can say this company, and this company is all about retailing. So basically what we are looking at the moment is Trent, and Trent has performed exceedingly well with the kind of numbers that they have produced in the last quarter. Basically the company is engaged in you can say retailing of apparels, footwears. You have access footwear accessories, toys, games, food, etc. So basically they are all over the places where there are malls, and they are into apparels and footwears, and they sell big time. So this is purely a play on the economy. And although most of the companies in the retailing space has not done that well, but if we see Trent has performed exceedingly well in this period. So what has gone on is, let me just open up my internet, and you would understand is that what has transpired over this period is that Trent in terms of numbers have performed well. In terms of stock has also done exceedingly well. From around 700 and from around 500 rupees in 2020, the stock is around 1400 at the moment, 1350. And if we look at the numbers, let's come to the numbers straight away. And if you look at it, and this is consolidated numbers, so just concentrate on the December quarter numbers. So basically what has happened is that on a December quarter numbers basis, the company has done overall year on year from 1500 crores, they have done 2300 crores this time around, a huge jump of 55%, and 273 crores of operating profit has become 323 crores. I agree that 18% margins has reduced to 14%, but if you look at on a quarter on quarter basis, margins have stabilized now around 13-14%, and it seems like that we are bottoming out on the margins front, and hopefully FY24 could be big for the company, and that's why big buying is taking place over the last 1 month in the stock. So 323 crores of operating profit transpired to 204 crores of profit before tax and after tax to be around 155 crores versus just about 114 crores for the December quarter. So numbers expanded big time. Yes, they paid greater tax last year in December, but things are looking much better than what it was looking say 2 quarters back. So look at the improvement in the number that has taken place. In March 22 they had a loss of around 21 crores. In June of 22 they did 115 crores, then it dipped to 80 crores, and now they're doing 155 crores. And the management has said that the margins around 14-15% can be maintained. So that's where lies the you can say the confidence of the investors for buying the stock. So what we believe going forward can happen is that the numbers could become much better from here on in. So if you look at March 22 numbers, they did around 1329 crores, and there was a dip, but If you look at March 21 numbers, there was an improvement from December 20 by around 5-6% or so. So if we project that forward from 2300 crores, we could see that the numbers could become around 6% higher. From there would be around 140 crores. So it would be around 2345 or 2445 crores for the March quarter. We had the other income, which was also there, other income, which was around 91 crores. If we say that the other income revolves around 80 crores, then hopefully we'll see that. Let's just calculate the other income first, and then we'll come to the profitability. So basically, if they do 90 plus 80 and around 90 and 95, so they do around 355 crores of other income. And if they have say a jump of 6%, just 6% quarter on quarter in terms of the sales, then we are looking at something like 2440 on this front. So in that sense, 2440 plus 360 as other income, 2800 plus if I include the 3 quarters of the year, then we are looking at something like, and I'm taking this roughly, something like 8800 as the sales for the year. Why I'm analyzing sales is that it does trade around 7 times 8 times price to sales. 8800 crore sales expected in FY23. The stock is trading around 47 and a half thousand crore market cap. It's trading at 5.4 times sales. Now if we look at market cap to sales for Trent, then we have a situation where the company currently is trading at 6.4, so it's basically trading at 5.5 times of current earnings. And if earnings even expand 15% from this 8800, 16%, in that sense, I mean from 8800 in FY24, we would expect the numbers to go to around 1400 crores more expansion on this number. So 10,200 crores of sales in FY24. That is what we envisage. On that basis, the stock is trading at under 5 times sales, and on a you can say long term basis, say on a 5 year medium term market cap to sales, the stock trades at around 7.5 times. So if I take 10,200 crores of sales and say that the stock should be trading at say around 8 times sales, then we are looking at 81,600 crores over the next by FY24. So 24 July or so, we see that. So over the next 18 months, the jump could be tremendous. From current 47,500 crore, we could see 60 to 70% jump in the next 2 years in the stock price if things remain constant, if margins do keep improving and remain at least robust at 15-16% at around 10,200 crores of sales. The market cap should easily go up 70-80%. The stock should go up 70-80% from here. That's purely on the basis of market cap to sales. If you look at the profitability front, so let's come back to the numbers again. In the March quarter, if we expect that 2440 crores of sales would happen, the EPS of the company should be closer to 5.4 rupees, or closer to something like 5.1 rupees or so. So overall, the EPS for the year, if I project that in the March quarter they'll do 5.1 rupees, then we are looking at the yearly EPS to be close to something like 16 rupees or so, 16.1 rupees, based on the fact that the stock currently is trading at around 1350, 1340. Then the stock is currently trading on a FY23 basis of 83 times earnings. Now if we go further, say in FY24, what do we expect? then we would expect that the 16.1 rupees of earning could grow by 20-25%, let's say 22%. So by three and a half, so 16.1. So it'll be around 19.6 rupees or so. And the stock, if bought at 1350, based on FY24 earnings, as I said, it's trading at under 70 times. Now, on a PE basis, it's trading at under 70 times FY24 earnings. So, when I say that the target in 24 July could expand by 70%, let's say on the earnings front, what could be the target? So, based on that, 19.6 rupees of EPS, the target could be even better. So 70, 68, 69 times. If I look at PE of the company, we have looked at market cap to sales. Let's now look at the PE ratio and what is the median term PE for the company from a 5-year basis. Now remember, for some time during the pandemic, the company came out with losses, heavy losses, and that's why we have this phase here, from here till around, so 2020 and 21, where the PE remained negative. So the moderate or median term PE that comes out to be is 150 rupees, 150. This is where currently the stock is trading at. So it's not, you can say, very cheap or very expensive. It's trading at 140 times. But since I mentioned that the stock, that if earnings continue, the stock could trade at 69 times. So again, from that perspective, the stock could go up or double from here, not even go 70%, but double from these levels. So on a 19.6 rupees, if the stock trades at say 150 times, we are looking at 2950, 3000 on the stock, which is more than double. So I think over the next 18 months, the stock could do exceedingly well. And that is probably why I would like to say that one should be looking at this stock very closely, and one should be looking at trend, and looking at buying into trend from a 2-year perspective at least, if these kind of numbers do continue. So trend is something that can be bought at current levels and on dips to 1300 levels, and one should keep a stop loss according to his risk appetite, probably 10% from here. But the upside could be phenomenal if the numbers continue. The stock looks very attractive based on the kind of December numbers that have come through. So this was a video on trend. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my video straight away when I post it. And kindly support me on Patreon, and please do subscribe to my channel. That will help me a great deal in going forward and helping you and coming out with such kind of interesting videos. Thanks a lot for watching.